Hi there and welcome to A Garden with Tom. So I'm repairing this thin and bare patch in the larger lawn. I'm using my garden fork to create as many holes as I can of about 1 to 2 centimetres deep. Then taking the mini handheld spreader filled with quality grass seed from Boston Seeds and sowing it into this patch. Some of the grass seed will fall into the holes and some will sit on the surface. So I'm sprinkling a quilt of lawn dressing over the top to assist with the germination process and protect the seed from hungry birds. And then we can look forward to it repairing itself and looking good for springtime. And to do the same as me, please see the promo codes below. Thanks very much.